Have you ever wondered why some businesses struggle with hard water, while others seem to handle it effortlessly? Today, we're examining the intriguing concept of water softening systems with our water treatment expert, Chris Camp from Aquamaster Water Treatment Limited.
Absolutely. You know, it's amazing how many people don't realize the significant difference between industrial and commercial water softeners. I mean, we're talking about systems that can literally make or break a business's operation.
That's such a great point. Let's start with the basics. What exactly sets these two types of systems apart?
Well, the most obvious difference is the scale and capacity. Commercial water softeners typically handle flow rates up to about 17,000 litres per hour, while industrial systems can process an incredible 1,000 plus gallons per minute. I mean, we're talking about massive differences here.
And that's really important for businesses to understand when making their choice, isn't it?
Exactly. You know what's funny? I was working with a restaurant owner last week who was convinced they needed an industrial system, but when we looked at their actual usage patterns, a commercial system was perfect for their needs.
That's a great point. We'll come back to that in just a moment, but first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Are you struggling with hard water problems in your business? Aquamaster Water Treatment Limited has been your trusted water treatment expert since 1975. With decades of experience and professional certifications, we provide top-tier water softening solutions across East Anglia, Norfolk, Cambridgeshire, Bedfordshire, Hertfordshire, and Essex. Visit us at aquamasterwater.co.uk to learn more about our services.
And we're back. You mentioned something interesting about usage patterns. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure thing. You see, commercial softeners are perfect for businesses like hotels, restaurants, and offices, where water usage is more predictable and some downtime is acceptable. But industrial systems? They're built for 24/7 operation.
Right. And I imagine maintenance plays a huge role in keeping these systems running optimally.
Oh my goodness, yes. You know what I always say? Maintenance isn't just important, it's absolutely critical. Regular servicing requirements can make the difference between a system that runs smoothly for years and one that, fails when you least expect it.
I've heard that a consistent supply of soft water is particularly important for certain types of businesses. Can you tell us more about that?
Definitely. Take universities, colleges, hotels, and manufacturing facilities, for example. These places need their water softening systems working at optimal performance all the time. No one wants their industrial equipment getting damaged by scale build-up, right?
That makes a ton of sense. What about the technology itself? Are we seeing any differences there?
Well, interestingly enough, both types use ion exchange technology at their core. But, and here's where it gets fascinating, industrial systems often come with much more sophisticated controls and monitoring capabilities.
So what would you say to someone who's trying to decide between the two types?
I'd ask them 3 key questions. What's your peak water demand? Do you need 24/7 operation? And what would be the impact of system downtime on your business? These answers usually point them in the right direction.
Those are really practical considerations. You know what I find interesting? The role of technology in modern water softening systems.
Oh yeah. Modern industrial systems can handle up to 500 cubic meters per hour. Isn't that mind-blowing? And they come with these amazing remote monitoring capabilities that would have seemed like science fiction just a few years ago.
Regarding maintenance, what should businesses be focusing on?
Preventing issues before they arise is crucial. Regular maintenance, monitoring salt levels, and observing regeneration cycles are not just nice additions. They are vital for ensuring your system operates at its best.
Makes perfect sense. Before we wrap up, what final advice would you give our listeners about choosing between commercial and industrial systems?
Remember this, bigger isn't always better. Choose the system that matches your actual needs, not what you think you might need. And whatever you choose, commit to maintaining it properly. Your water softener is an investment in your business's future.
Fantastic insights today. For our listeners who want to learn more about water softening solutions, you can visit Aquamaster Water Treatment Limited at aquamasterwater.co.uk. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with your audience.